Hi, this is a Hunter Tuerk Model A, and I just wanted to show you the mechanism for adjusting the blade angle and the on-off switch. So you can see this knob here, if you push it up and down, it adjusts the angle of the blades. And then this top knob has a little ramp in there, and as you move it, it pushes a rod up and down. And that would go to the switch mechanism, which this fan doesn't have. There would be a cylinder that would slide up and down around the round part there. And then there would be a switch up top that would click. And there'd be a little wheel riding along the top of the cylinder. It would click the switch on and off, because this part of the mechanism spins around with the fan, while the switch would stay stationary inside. That's an interesting mechanism. And it's driven by some leather-covered wheels that are up top. Can't seem to get a good view of them. They're inside these covers. There, you can see the top of the motor. It rotates these the leather-covered wheels, and then the basket sits on top of the wheels. Anyway, it's an interesting fan.